Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to download map on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application. After that, select the area what you wanna save, but spoiler, it save the map for all my city. So let's say I wanna save this area. We need to click at the download, and now, as you can see, you need to select the area what you wanna save. So let's say I don't need all my city. I zoom it, but I cannot zoom more. Then you click download, and now we need to wait a bit. So I'm going to speed up it for you. Now we did it. To manage offline maps, we need to click at the profile icon at the right side. Then move to the offline maps. Right here we have the map. Click on it. You can resize the map, you can rename the map, or you can delete the map. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!